In this next set of exercises, we'll be simplifying radical expressions. Simplify. Write all answers using radical notation. Assume all variables represent positive numbers. The fifth root of 32, x to the 16, y to the 10. So what we're interested in looking for are numbers that are perfect roots of 5. Well, of course, 32 is, so we can leave that as it is. We have the fifth root of then 32. Now, x to the 16th, we're going to rewrite that as x to the 15th times x. That's because x to the 15th is a perfect fifth root. And then y to the 10th we leave as is because that also already is a perfect fifth root. So now the fifth root of 32 is 2. The fifth root of x to the 15th is x cubed. And the fifth root of y to the 10th is y squared. And so then we have the fifth root of x. So our answer is 2x cubed, y squared, the fifth root of x.